Welcome, friend. You're here because something in you seeks truth. Let this video gently guide you through The Work by Byron Katie. Find a quiet place, somewhere safe, where nothing is asked of you. Close your eyes, if that feels right. Let your body soften. Breathe in slowly and breathe out gently. Bring to mind a thought that troubles you, a stressful belief, something that grips or drains you. Hold it gently. No need to fix it, no judgment. Just imagine placing the thought in your open palm and looking at it with curiosity, like watching a cloud float by. Now ask yourself, is it true? There's no right answer here, no wrong one either. Just what feels true to you in this moment. Let the answer arise softly. And now, can you absolutely know that it's true? Even a small whisper of doubt is enough. Just notice, is it possible the thought might not be fully, totally, absolutely true? Be open, be still. Now ask, how do you react when you believe that thought? What do you feel in your body? What happens to your breath, your posture, your face? What emotions rise up? How do you treat yourself when you believe it? How do you treat others when you believe it? What is the cost of believing this thought? Take your time. Let the truth be seen. Now gently ask, who would you be without the thought? Don't try to force it. Just imagine what opens up for you. Who are you without the story, without the weight of it? Let your body respond. Let your heart respond. Stay with the feeling. And if it feels right, try a turnaround. What if the opposite was true? Or what if a partial version was true? Can you find a way to turn this thought around just a little? Not to blame, not to dismiss, but to inquire. The mind might resist. It fears facing what it doesn't know. Be like a loving parent sitting beside the child that is your mind. Just sit with openness and care. Let the turnaround reveal something new. You don't have to force insight. You don't have to reach a conclusion. Just being here is enough. You asked the questions. You listened. That's the work. Let peace arrive on its own. Let the quiet stay with you. You're safe. You're seen. You're already home. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. You can return to this video anytime and use it for any thought you wish to inquire into. You'll also find videos on this channel where I do the work on my own thoughts. Listening to others can sometimes open something in us too. We're all here for inquiry, thanks to Byron Katie and this simple, powerful practice. If this helped, consider subscribing and sharing it with someone who might be struggling with their thoughts. And remember, all it takes to begin is one thought at a time. Be well.